Carry on. Continue. Please carry on with your work. Try on. Put clothes on to test. She tried on a dress. Hold on. Wait. Hold on a second. Go on. Continue happening. What's going on here? Depend on. Rely on. You can depend on me. Move on. Go forward. Let's move on to the next point. Call on. Visit. I'll call on you tomorrow. Work on. Spend time improving. He's working on his project. Focus on. Give attention to. Focus on the task. Insist on. Demand firmly. She insisted on paying. Look over. Quickly check. Look over your notes. Run over. Hit with a vehicle. He ran over a dog. Think over. Consider carefully. Think it over before deciding. Take over. Gain control. She took over the company. Come over. Visit someone. Come over to my house. Get over. Recover from. He got over the flu. Watch over. Guard or protect. She watched over the kids. Hand over. Give. Hand over the keys. Talk over. Discuss. Let's talk it over. Turn over. Flip. He turned over the page. Come under. Be controlled by. The town came under attack. Go under. Fail or sink. The company went under. Get under. Bother or upset. His words got under my skin. Be under. Be in a lower position. The ball is under the table. Put under. Make unconscious. The doctor put him under. Stay under. Remain below. Stay under the roof. Live under. Be ruled by. They lived under a king. Work under. Be managed by. He works under a strict boss. Fall under. Belong to a category. This falls under science. Come under. Face criticism. He came under fire. Go through. Experience. She went through a hard time. Look through. Read quickly. I looked through the book. Get through. Succeed, finish. He got through the exam. Break through. Make a discovery. They broke through the wall. Come through. Survive or succeed. He came through the surgery. Run through. Repeat or practice. Let's run through the plan. Cut through. Go across. We cut through the park. See through. Not be fooled. I saw through his lies. Pull through. Recover from illness. She pulled through after surgery. Push through. Make happen despite problems. They pushed through the law. Wake up. Stop sleeping. I wake up at 6. Grow up. Become an adult. She grew up in London. Give up. Stop trying. He gave up smoking. Set up. Arrange, start. They set up a new company. Pick up. Lift or collect. She picked up the phone. Cheer up. Become happier. He cheered up after hearing the news. Make up. Invent or create. She made up a story. Bring up. Raise a child or mention. They brought up 3 kids. End up. Finally be in a place. We ended up at the park. Clean up. Make clean. He cleaned up the kitchen.